Here are the top 20 tallest statues in the world. Number 20. African Renaissance Monument. This is the tallest statue of Africa. It is located in Awakam suburbs, Dakar of Senegal. The height of this statue is 49 meter or 160 feet. Its year of completion is 2010. It is dedicated to independence of the country from France. Number 19. Usami Canon, Japan. This statue is located on the Usami Canon Temple, a hill temple in Shizuoka, Japan. The height of this statue is 50 meter or 160 feet. Its year of completion is 1986. It is dedicated to world peace. This temple holds many Buddhist mandalas and is an important religious destination of the country. Number 18. Tokyo Wan Canon, Japan. This statue gives a grand spot for a spectacular view of Mount Fuji in Tokyo Bay. It is located on coast of Futsu, Chiba of Japan. Height of this statue is 56 meter or 183.7 feet. Its year of completion is 1961. It is dedicated to Statue of Canon, dedicated to world's peace. Number 17. Desu Jeeva Canon, Japan. This statue is believed to bring good luck for pregnant women, young looking for love matches and blessing for newborns. It is located in Azumura Park, Azu Wakamatsu of Japan. Height of this statue is 57 meter or 187 feet. Its year of completion is 1980. Number 16. Quan Yin of Mount Ziqiao, China. Wan Lin is the Chinese version of a Balakaitsvara. This statue stands on Mount Ziqiao in Foshan, Guangdong of China. Height of this statue is 77 meter or 253 feet. Its year of completion is 1990. This statue is dedicated to Quan Yin. Number 15. The Motherland Monument, Ukraine. This statue is located in Pekars, Kiev of Ukraine. Its height is 62 meter or 203 feet. Its year of completion is 1981. This statue is dedicated to the history of Ukraine's involvement in Second World War. This statue is a part of the Museum of History of Kiev. The mosque holds a plaque, which has the names of all the 11,600 soldiers who fought in the war. Number 14. Balaji Canon, Japan. This large white statue can be seen from any part of the island. It is located in Awaji Island of Japan. Height of this statue is 80 meters or 260 feet. Its year of completion is 1982. This statue is dedicated to Goddess Canon. Number 13. The Motherland Cells, Russia. This statue holds the grave of Marshal Vasily Ivanovich Chuikov, who killed 225 German soldiers and their allies during the Battle of Stalingrad. This statue is located near Mamayev Kurgan of Russia. Its height is 85 meter or 279 feet. Its year of completion is 1967. This statue is dedicated to the Battle of Stalingrad, which lasted for 200 days. Number 12. Grand Buddha at Lingshan, China. This is one of the largest statues of Buddha in standing posture, made of bronze. This statue holds the largest bell of South China. This statue is located in Longshan, town of Wuxi of China. Its height is 88 meters or 289 feet, lotus pedestal 9 meters. Its year of completion is 1996. This statue is dedicated to Buddha. Number 11. Daikon of Kita-no-Miyake Park, Japan. This is the third largest statue of the country and it held the title of being the tallest statue until 1991. This statue contains an elevator and 20 floors. It is located in Ashibutsu, Hokkaido of Japan. Height of this statue is 88 meter of 279 feet. Its year of completion is 1989. This statue is dedicated to goddess of Alakitesvara. Number 10. Great Buddha of Thailand. This tallest statue of Thailand is made of concrete and painted in gold. This statue holds Buddha in meditation pose. It is also called as the Big Buddha. This statue is located in Wat Muang, Wisit Chai Chan of Thailand. Its height is 92 meter or 302 feet. Its year of completion is 2008. This statue is dedicated to Buddha. Number 9. Peter the Great Statue, Russia. This controversial statue was voted as the 10th ugliest statue of the world. This statue was built to celebrate the 300th anniversary of establishing Russian Navy. This statue is located in Moscow, Russia. Its height is 98 meter or 322 feet. Its year of completion is 1997. This statue is dedicated to Peter, the Great, establisher of Russian Navy. Number 8. Wushan Quan Yin China. This statue is dedicated to the goddess of thousand hands and thousand eyes. This statue is located in Weishan, Changsha of China. Its height is 99 meter or 325 feet. Its year of completion is 2009. It is dedicated to goddess of Alakitesvara. The region around the statue are filled with garden, picnic spots and strolling area. Number 7. Sendai Daikon, Japan. This is the second tallest statue of a goddess in the world and the tallest statue of Wan Canon in the world. This statue holds an elevator. It is located in Sendai, Japan. Its height is 100 meter or 330 feet. Its year of completion is 1991. This statue is dedicated to Wan Canon. Number 6. Ashiku Daibutsu, Japan. This statue is Buddha stands on a lotus called form. It is said that the location of the statue is the spot where Amitabha Buddha attained enlightenment. It is located in Ashiku, Ibaraki of Japan. Its height is 100 meter or 330 feet with the base 120 meter or 390 feet. Its year of completion is 1993. This statue is dedicated to Gautama Buddha. Number 5. Emperors Yan and Wong statue, China. This statue is carved on top of a mountain on Yellow River. It took 20 years for completing this statue. Yan Di was one of the first emperors who ruled China. It is located in Yan Huang Plaza, Zhengzhou of China. Its height is 106 meter or 348 feet. Its year of completion is 2007. This statue is dedicated to Emperor Yan Di and Huang Di. Number 4. Wan Lin of Nanshan, China. This is the second tallest statue of the country. This statue is located in a scenic tropical island of Sanya, Hainan of China. Its height is 108 meter or 354 feet. Its year of completion is 2005. This statue is dedicated to the goddess of mercy Kuan Yin. Number 3. Lakyan Sekya Buddha, Myanmar. This figure stands on a large ground. This statue holds a temple and a special elevator that takes up to the 27th floor. This statue is located in Katakan, Moniwa of Myanmar. Its height is 116 meter or 381 feet with the base of 129.2 meter or 424 feet. Its year of completion is 2008. This statue is dedicated to Gautama Buddha. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha, China. This grand statue of Gautama Buddha stands on a small hillock, which is chiseled into small pedestals, adding more height to the statue. This statue is located in Fodushan Scenic Area, Henan of China. Its height is 153 meter or 502 feet, with the base of 208 meter or 682 feet. Its year of completion is 2008. This statue is dedicated to Gautama Buddha. Number 1. Statue of Unity, India. This colossal statue is built to honor the first Home Minister of the country. This statue is more than just a mass of metal and minerals. It is located in Kevadia Colony, Surat, India. Its height is 182 meter or 597 feet with the base of 240 meter or 790 feet. Its year of completion is 2018. This statue is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.